So it looks like we've got a Gilbert long drop Octagon clock, often known as a schoolhouse clock. There it is. And it has a little issue, but something I think is kind of neat about this clock is the year it was made. There's the date stamp, 1912. Very interesting year. This clock is 3 years older than my house that I'm living in here, and made the same year that the Titanic sank. And it has a little bit of a problem, other than being just absolutely filthy dirty. And you can see the drops are not equal there. Very short drop. Slightly longer drop. Actually, it looks pretty even. So that's alright. Looks like we'll leave that like it is. The main issue, though, is there's no tension. If I take the verge out and let the escape wheel spin and let the time train spin, it does not drive the motion work at all, and it will not operate the strike. And when I turn this minute hand shaft, there's no resistance from the setting clutch at all. There's totally no drive there. So in addition to taking this movement apart to clean it, you need to figure out what's going on with the center friction there, and adjust it to make it work again. So this will be a little project to work on. Let's see, uses a passing strike. For the half hours. The other Gilbert clock I have that has a front mount pendulum does not. It's basically the same movement in a kitchen clock case. Uses an active strike and actually strikes on the train. Whereas this one, the half hour is struck with just a tail on the hammer. That as it comes around on the half hour, so that's the hour. And as it comes around on the half hour, see as I turn that there, it just raises the hammer up and then drops it on the half hour. So that'll be the thing to do on this. Get the springs let down, get the movement apart, clean it, see what's going on with the tension. Should be a lot of fun. So stay tuned.